Meet Ramp's accounting agent, built to capture, code, review, check, sync, accrue, and reconcile spend, so teams like Lauren's can multiply their impact.
Hi, my name is Lauren. I'm the controller here at Perplexity. We operate a very lean team.
Accelerating spend complexity, thousands of vendors across every region on Earth. One lean team? How does that work? AI codes every bill and transaction automatically and learns your nuances from the person who knows them best. You.
The vast majority, 97% of our transactions are auto-coded so that it's learning with me and also taking cues as we make changes.
See what's done, which fields need your judgment, and why.
That is worth an extra pair of eyes, and it also gives me the reasoning for why that might be.
Ramp finds the routine, validates it, and syncs it automatically, so close starts on the first day of the month. Missing something at month end? Accrue instantly and keep close moving. Numbers not lining up? Reconcile automatically and find mismatches in seconds. And the result?
AI really multiplies the impact and the efficiency of my team. Without Ramp, we would be deep in the weeds,